Good morning. I am here at Electrify Expo, Long Beach. I just parked and I'm right above the actual event, so you can actually get a pretty good bird's eye view of all the stuff that's going to be going on today. We've got a bunch of e-scooters down here, as well as all of the major car brands are here showing off all of their electric vehicles. Volkswagen, BMW, Chrysler. Back over here we got Volvo, Ford, Toyota. You got Yokohama wheels back there, as well as I know Tesla's here too. All right, I actually parked right on top, and I just happened to be right next to the Ford exhibit, which is cool because this is the first time I'm seeing like the inside of the Lightning. So we have the F-150 Lightning here, nice black one. We have kind of like a sea blue and a black and a navy over here, as well as a bunch of Mach-E's. And this is kind of cool here. They're actually serving food and they're powering all of their gear, or at least those hot plates right there, off of the Ford Lightning truck. So that's kind of cool, just to show you some utility of this vehicle. All right, officially into the show. Got my media badge for Tesla of the day, and that was the entrance right there. So let's go explore. All right guys, I'm here in front of the Tesla booth, and this is kind of weird because of the fact that Tesla normally doesn't have displays that shows. I don't believe this is part of like the whole like I'm gonna start advertising thing, but it's just kind of it's kind of cool to see them here because we have car shows in San Diego all the time and you never see Tesla there. You see all the other companies, but we finally have a Tesla booth at the Electrify Expo show. Have Team Ruin. If you guys haven't seen my video on Ron Villerin's Tesla on bags, these guys are all bagged here, and they have a lot of other cars that I'm going to be checking out. So if you guys want more information, I'll leave their crew down below. But let's go check out some of the rides from Ruined Tesla. All right, so on the main street of Electrify Expo, you can actually test drive a bunch of different EVs. Right here behind me, we have the Toyota, the Kia, as well as Lexus and VW right on this side. And then right behind me over here, we have Ford, Tesla, and BMW and Mitsubishi. So if you want to test drive one of these EVs, you are able to do that. Just have to sign up and of course show your license and register and wait in line.
I'm sure you already can feel much more of a pickup. Now, we do have one mode that elevates it even further. If you see in your steering wheel, we have that bright green knob there. That's going to be GT mode. Okay. So that's going to be really giving you all that power all at once. All right,
just got done with the test drive. Now I'm headed over here where it seems like it's all like the scooters, mountain bikes, off-road bikes. So a bunch of things in this section right over here. All right, this is kind of cool, which is something you don't see too often. You got full mountain bike demos here with a dirt lot, which is really cool. Not just like, you know, go ride them around the concrete or the asphalt. They actually have a full dirt lot here for you to test out some mountain bikes, demo some mountain bikes. All right, I'm here at Lightship, and it's actually one of the, I think only trailers here, but this thing looks sweet. Has a kind of futuristic modern look to it, as well as the inside. Oh, look at this thing, look at that. Look at that, look at this thing, dude. Dude, these are sick. What is this?
Trike Bros.
Trike Bros, let me get that. Yeah.
.com.org.
Trike Bros, there it is. Check it out. Thank you. Dope, dude. All right, so I'm here at the Lexus booth, and actually the RZ 450, I think it looks pretty sweet. And it's kind of funny because it does have the yoke steering wheel. And I know a lot of people were throwing fits before about the yoke with Tesla. And now seeing it in person, it actually looks kind of cool. They just kind of took a little different take on it. It just feels like you're like a kind of fighter jet pilot style, but pretty cool to see them adopt the yoke. And Lexus does have some, as far as aesthetics go, some really nice looking cars. We got electric boats now. What's kind of interesting is that you know that with the Cybertruck releasing this year, these types of events, there's going to be a ton. Come next year, there's going to be probably like 5 or 10 or 15 third-party companies with Cybertruck accessories, campers, all that good stuff. The EV space is just growing like crazy. Look at that. We got boats, we got trailers, we got trikes. Look at this, how cool is this? Rivian towing a electric car, electric truck, towing the electric boat. Okay, I thought there was only one trailer, there's actually two. Check this one out, it looks really cool. Let's go inside. All right, so when it comes to the e-bikes, there is 4 rows. 4 rows of e-bike companies here. A lot of them very familiar, a lot of them new. Some I've seen on YouTube. But man, if you want to learn or see what's new and what's out, everything is here. Such a trip to ride.
What do you think?
That is kind of crazy.
Initial thoughts?
You just don't know what to expect because it's such a short frame.
Right.
And of course, like you mentioned, when you are turning in, you kind of want to sit up a little. All right, there it is, guys. Electrify Expo Long Beach 2023. Ton of stuff here. Awesome time, and it's got a little bit hot now. It's a little bit overcast, but a good time for me to kind of close it out. And hope you guys enjoyed that little overview of this year's expo. Take care.